Hey guys, welcome back to the Roman L Show, and today we're back on Roblox, where today we're playing the hospital obby. Oh, it's frozen, like it always happens, you know, right? Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, I was frozen. Alright, let's get that. The doctor has gone, Matt. Pull the lever over there. Yo! Did you actually die? Oh! Yo, I fell through the roof! Cool, cool, I'm gonna make it. Oh, what is... Yo, what? That's a far drop! Yo, hospitals are not that big, you know. Yo, that was big. Let's go quickly for this game. Come on, and come on. And boop. Yay! How are you jumping on checkpoint? Ooh, these are really big. Unlike the Castle Fortress, like those things were really tiny to get through, and I was like, I'm crazy today. Oh, I'm sorry, but you are dead. Whoa! Looks like we made it into the X-ray room. Look at that giant skeleton. I know. Oh my gosh, this is like a science room instead. We discover no, not exo. Why am I talking about invertebrates or something like that? Yeesh. You know what those are? Subscribe down below if you know what vertebrates and invertebrates are. Oh, yo, why is the hospital so far of a drop? Like, that's my question. Yeesh. Oh yeah, I failed here. You know, when I first got Roblox, this was like the fourth. Oh my gosh, the fourth obby I ever played. So it's been like such a long. I got it like Roblox like 2 years ago. I never. So I never figured out how to use Screen-O-Macastic. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry about this. So should I just pause this and wait until I get out of this room? So I'm gonna pause this until I get past it. See you guys soon. We finally made it past that after like a pretty long time. Yo. Oh, it's blue and it looks like it's gonna so you gotta be careful. But why would we escape the hotel even? So why would we be at the hotel first of all? It turned green. Oh my gosh, is that a bad signal or something like that? I have no idea. Oh my gosh, it froze. Camera froze again. Right, come on, make it. Yeah, I made it. All right, let's go. Ooh, yo, I want to make it out of this room. I like it, but I don't want to spend all my whole life on looking at a skeleton. Whoa, what is this pink stuff? Yo, is this blood work? Or like a vaccine? No, this is definitely a shot. What do you get at the hospital? Like, have you seen Raising Dion season 2? Like, how Pot was going crazy and they had to give him a shot. And put it in. Oh, I hate when people get shots. It freaks me out. Huh? Looks like we can only do that. Wait, oh, we have to make it over there. Okay. Whoa! Oh, there's a speed run up there. I love that. We're on some sort of giant dumping ground. I don't know what that is, but okay. Well, take that as a yes. Oh, okay. We've been doing this for 3 minutes and we're doing... Oh my gosh, he's already got speed. Has he made it to the end or went back, or did the speed thing and went up back down the ladder? Oh my gosh. Yo, you're gonna kill me. Run. Yo, how fast can he go up the ladder, I wonder? I know, the other will make you run faster, like always. Whee! Oh no! Oh my god, why is there lava underground? If you ever know, there's definitely like sand underground. Oh my gosh. Yo, he is good at this. Oh no! Yo, I was so close. I thought it was the third one I failed, but no, it was actually the second. Ugh. Maybe I should pause this too. Yeah, I'll pause it. Okay, until I get out of underground. See you guys soon. Out of underground, that place was... Oh, I didn't click. Sorry. That was awful. So, oh! Then we need somewhere to hide before the doctor. Oh, definitely in the... Yo, can that kill you, bro? Oh, wait, how do you get in? Do you have to go in his mouth? There's some way to get... Yeah, where do you get up? I know this thing, but how do you get up? Oh. Alright, yeah, let's go. You ready? Ah! Yummy. Oh, you can go through that. Let's hide here. Good idea. In the mouth, bro. Oh my! I just skipped over all the food. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I just skipped over one part by jumping really far. You know, that happened to me when I did that before, but I just forget what it's like. You know what I mean? It just feels weird. Like you just skip through like it wasn't. Oh, that's the heart. This is like, I don't know what this is. Layers of water, whatever. Oh, can you go through the heart? Or is that the lungs? The main thing is the heart. If you know what a heart looks like, usually it looks like this. Yeah, but this heart does not look like that. Yep. Oh, now this. I have trouble with these kind of jumping things. Oh! I glitched. Yo, that was bad. Okay. Come on, let's go. Yo, there's so many. Is there so many? I don't know. I don't know if there's so many. Oh, well, kind of. How far have we gone? Not bad. And how close are we? Really close. Yeah, and we made it anyway. Oh, these now. I'm gonna pause it again, guys, and wait till I get past this again. So, because I don't want this video to be really long. So, see, get out of the body and pass a lot of parts of that video because it's gonna take a very long time. And he pooped us out, so we're going to the toilet. Look. Yucky. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Right, so somehow we have to get over there. Hi, Mom. Get
your phone. Get your phone.
She found it?
She hid it.
Oh, she always hides bones.
Get
So
your phone.
tries to hide her bones so and saves it, and then she just gets it. She loves hide and seek or something with toys. All right, come on. Wee. Oh, wait. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Come on. Give me it. Come on, buddy. Let me in through the gate. Thank you. Whoa, you won, but can you find the secret badge? Flap flaps. What? Nothing. Wait, look at it. No. Yo, that's flap flaps in there. No, what's in here? Nothing? Oh, I didn't get the checkpoint, but okay. Whoa! Open the gate. Who do you hate? That's your date. Oh, we came from the sewers. I'm gonna go in the sewers. Ah! I can jump really high. Yo! What's down here? Oh, shoot. Stay. Ha! No. Why do I keep jumping? It's like making me go so high. This is cool. You ready, guys? Let's jump off the thing. Wait, no. Okay. Bye, Slovenia. Alright, well, guys, that was it. We'll all see you again soon. Bye-bye.